Do you own a landscaping or a tree or yard company? Let's take a look at a new website design that will showcase your image and bring your website design and company up to speed. So as you can see on the screen, this is a demo site that we've created. So you can see the imagery and text can be customized to your brand and your likeness. So here, as you can see, there's a nice header with the logo, the customer support, email, a lot of good information here with the call to action button there, and then some other things you can see on the screen. As we scroll down the page, I'll refresh it real quick just to show you how it dynamically fades in, fades out. So lots of information here that can be customized to your brand. Video background here, bringing it up to speed with modern times. We have a bunch of information here on all the services that you can provide, as well as a call to action, why choose us section, a package if you're offering packages maybe for your monthly services and so forth, some testimonials here, promo if you want that, and then some FAQ action there, free quote, email newsletter, and footer design services. As you can see there, this is a great start to a website. I'll go to the About Us page just so you can see an inner page as well. And this is what we do at JLG Marketing Solutions. We design awesome looking websites that perform. So as you can see, this is the About Us page. Obviously, all this imagery can be changed to what you have to offer. Obviously, the team would be updated to your team. Testimonials would be updated to yours, as well as everything else on the site. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that can happen within this website. If you're doing yard, tree, shrubbery, this can also work for this template. Um, as you scroll down the page, there's some more stuff, form fills, everything would be emailed to you and so forth. But yeah, this is a really attractive design if you're in this, landscaping, green tree space. If you're looking to upgrade your image online and bring your brand up to compete with others in the area, contact JLG Marketing Solutions today to get this website started. We are very aggressive on pricing, so contact us today to get a quote for this type of website.